Kushal, welcome. Let's check your voice clarity.
What is your name?
Your pronunciation is 100% correct.
My name is Rajan and I am a student.
Your pronunciation is 96% correct. Kushal, welcome. Let's check your voice clarity.
How many members in your family?
Your pronunciation is 100% correct. Kushal, welcome. Let's check your voice clarity.
Who is Swami Vivekananda?
Your pronunciation is 100% correct.
He was an Indian Hindu monk and great philosopher.
Your pronunciation is 99% correct.
He was an Indian Hindu monk and great philosopher.
Your pronunciation is 99% correct. He was an Indian Hindu monk and great philosopher. Kushal, let's play verb game. What is third form of absorb? What is first form of accepted? Kushal, let's play verb game. What is first form of absorb? Your options are absorbes, absorbed, absorb. What is first form of accepted? Your options are accept, accepted, accepting. Kushal, let's play verb game. What are the form of absorb? What are the form of accept? Kushal, can we play Sino game? Find out the synonym of huge. Your option are insignificant, unpleasant. Find out the synonym of depraved. Your option are sinful, splendid, dreadful. Find out the synonym of anger. Your option are contaminated or else begin. Find out the synonym of enraged. Your option are launch, furious, bad. Kushal, please talk with me. What is your name? What is your father name?
What is your father's name?
His name is Rajiv Kumar Tripathi. Kushal, welcome. This is your private section. Thanks for adding conversation. What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Kushal. Question isn't. Please refresh the page to practice again in same way. Are your eyes hurting?
No, my eyes is cold. Are your eyes hurting?
Not all. I am fine. Why did you ask that question?